Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML uniform resource locators. And right now, we'll be discussing about ASCII encoding examples. Your browser will encode input according to the character set used in your page. The default character set in HTML5 is UTF-8, which is this, or this. And this one you are seeing right here, they are from what? Windows 1252. So, and these are the characters encoding. The characters encode. So let's say for instance now, in your document, you are having this copyright symbol. The copyright symbol, you are going to find the value of the copyright symbol using what? Using your, this one is using Windows 1252. Yes, this one is using Windows 1252 character set. So here you can see this is the ASCII value, the ASCII representation of it. This is the hexadecimal value, the hexadecimal representation, hexadecimal representation of this copyright symbol. So you are going to use it along with this percentage. And now come and see, can you see how it looks when you are using it with the UTF-8? So the UTF-8 representation is longer than the Windows 1252 hexadecimal representation of the copyright symbol. Just ordinary copyright symbol you are seeing right here. This is the hexadecimal representation value from the Windows 1252, along with the, and also can you see it now when you are using it inside the UTF-8? You are going to use to have this copyright symbol to be able to translate it using URL coding. It's going to be translated to this percentage C2 and also percentage A9. All this represent this. So you have to be careful when you are using a coding scheme, and you have to understand it deeply before you do it. So in our previous tutorials, we've been discussing about encoding so far, and we have discussed about the character sets also, where we covered the UTF-8, Windows 1252. We have covered the ISO. So, and also we have covered the ANSI, and also we have covered the ASCII. So just check our previous tutorial on all this, so you can be able to know where we come out, where we got all this. So, but in the next tutorial, I'm still going to talk about, because I've not been showing you this, all this. I think I've already showed you these hexadecimal representations also in our previous tutorial, but I'm still going to be showing you guys more about it in the future. So please kindly note this: all these are converted to what? To ASCII encoding using this percentage. This percentage symbol must go along with it if you want it to display in your URL, in your page. If you want it to get translated in your page, you have to use it in this manner. Can you see? So that's how it works. So let me show you some stuff down here. As you can see, this one now, this kind of A, if you need this kind of A, you have to use this or this from the UTF-8. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. And before I go, for a complete reference of all URL encodings, visit our URL encoding reference. So you are going to find many things there. So Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Have a great day. Thank you so much.